army men, including a junior commissioner officer, were killed and 4 persons were injured after suspected Jaish-e-Mohammed militants attacked the Sujwan army camp in Jammu on Saturday morning. The area has currently been cordoned off. 12:30 के करीब हेलीकॉप्टर उड़ने की जब आवाज़ आई तो मुझे कोई डाउट सा लगा कि 3-4 हेलीकॉप्टर ऊपर पेट्रोलिंग कर रहे हैं। फिर छत पे जाके देखा तो फिर कुछ फायर्स की भी आवाज़ आई। फिर इमीडिएटली हम बाहर निकले, जब सड़क पे आए मेन रोड पे तो पुलिस की पेट्रोलिंग काफ़ी तेज़ थी। और यहाँ अगर मौके पे देखा है तो यहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि मिलिटेंट अटैक हुआ है, जो कि सूत्रों से पता लगा है। Reporters said that a JCO Madanlal Chaudhary and his daughters were injured as militants stormed into the camp and opened fire. However, Chaudhary later succumbed to his injuries. Official sources said that around 5 p.m. 3 to 4 militants entered the JCO family quarters located at the rear side of army camp.
4:45 in the morning, there was there was some suspicious movement noticed by the Santri, and they fired back. They fired upon the Santri bunker was fired upon, and they retaliated. They have been cornered in one of the family quarters. As per the preliminary report, there are 2 injuries on army side. There is one Havalar and one his daughter. Forces have immediately reacted, cordoned off the area. Operation is on.
Officials said that militants have been cornered in one of the family quarters and operation is underway. Zahra Shahid, Video Disc, Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar.